What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for hikes. I like to play video games and cook new recipes.
What do you enjoy most about your work?
I love being able to express my creativity and bring ideas to life. I enjoy solving complex problems and collaborating with my team.
What do you like to listen to when you need to relax?
I enjoy listening to classical music or calming nature sounds. I like to unwind with some smooth jazz or acoustic tunes.
What do you usually wear when going out with friends?
I prefer a casual look, like jeans and a comfortable shirt. I like to dress up a bit, maybe wear a dress or a nice shirt and slacks.
What do you think about social media?
I find it useful for staying connected with friends and staying informed. It can be overwhelming at times, and I try to limit my usage.
What do you value most in a friendship?
I value trust and loyalty in my friendships. I appreciate open communication and a good sense of humor.
What do you enjoy doing when you're outdoors?
I love hiking and exploring nature trails. I enjoy picnics in the park and playing sports with friends.
What do you look for in a romantic partner?
I look for someone who shares my values and has a great sense of humor. I appreciate someone who is kind, supportive, and adventurous.
What do you usually do on vacations?
I like to visit new cities and explore their culture and history. I prefer relaxing beach vacations or spending time in the countryside.
What do you wish you had more time for?
I wish I had more time to travel and experience new cultures. I'd like to spend more time volunteering and giving back to my community.
What do you like to do when it's raining outside?
I love to curl up with a good book or watch movies at home. I enjoy going to museums or visiting cozy coffee shops.
What do you find most exciting about your city or town?
I love the diverse food scene and the various cultural events. I appreciate the beautiful parks and outdoor recreation options.
What do you prefer, working from home or at an office?
I prefer working from home for the flexibility and comfort it offers. I like working in an office for the social interactions and structured environment.
What do you like to do when you have a day off work?
I enjoy spending the day exploring new places or catching up on my hobbies. I like to use the time to recharge, relax at home, and spend time with loved ones.
What do you find most challenging about learning a new language?
The grammar rules and pronunciation can be quite difficult at first. Building a large vocabulary and understanding cultural nuances are challenging.
What do you think about adopting pets from shelters?
I think it's a wonderful way to give an animal a loving home and support a good cause. It can be a great option, but it's important to consider the responsibilities involved.
What do you like to do when you're trying to stay active?
I enjoy going for runs or attending group fitness classes. I like to practice yoga, go swimming, or ride my bike.
What do you think about online dating?
It can be a convenient way to meet new people and make connections. I prefer meeting people through friends or social events for a more organic experience.
What do you enjoy most about your neighborhood?
I love the friendly community and local shops within walking distance. I appreciate the peaceful atmosphere and access to nearby parks.
What do you find most challenging about budgeting and saving money?
Sticking to a budget and avoiding impulse purchases can be tough. Finding the balance between enjoying life now and saving for the future.
What do you like to do when you're feeling nostalgic?
I enjoy looking through old photos or watching my favorite childhood movies. I like to listen to music from my past or reconnect with old friends.
What do you think about trying new activities or hobbies?
I love stepping out of my comfort zone and discovering new interests. It can be intimidating at first, but the experience is usually rewarding.
What do you like to do when you're exploring a new city or destination?
I enjoy visiting local attractions, trying new foods, and learning about the culture. I like to wander around and discover hidden gems without a strict itinerary.
What do you find most challenging about meeting new people?
Overcoming initial shyness and making a genuine connection can be difficult. Finding common interests and maintaining engaging conversations can be challenging.
What do you enjoy most about attending sports events or games?
I love the excitement and camaraderie among the fans. I appreciate witnessing the skill and athleticism of the players in person.
What do you think about maintaining a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle?
I believe it's crucial for our planet's future, and I try to make conscious choices. It's important, but it can be challenging to balance convenience and sustainability.
What do you like to do when you're celebrating a special occasion?
I enjoy going out for a fancy dinner or attending a fun event with loved ones. I prefer intimate gatherings at home with close friends and family.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I typically have oatmeal with fruits and nuts. I usually enjoy a smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer at a marketing firm. I'm a software engineer for a tech startup.
What do you like to watch on TV or streaming platforms?
I love watching crime dramas and nature documentaries. I'm a fan of comedy shows and reality TV.
What do you find most challenging about your job?
Sometimes, it's difficult to manage tight deadlines and multiple projects. The most challenging part is keeping up with the latest technology and trends.